Hello, welcome back. Let's revise some suku kata. Ka, si, mu, sa, mi, bu, ma, bi, nu, ba, ni, ku, ki, na, su. Good job for trying. Now let's revise what we learned last week. Ta, ti, tu, tu, ti, ta, ti, tu, ta. Okay, now let's read some words. Here we have bu, and this is ka. Put them together, we have bu, ka, bu, ka. Buka is to open, like buka pintu, open the door. Here we have bu, and this is ku, so we have bu, ku, bu, ku. Buku is a book. Here it's ka, and this is mu. Put them together, we have ka, mu, ka, mu. Kamu means you. Now let's try reading a longer suku kata. Here we have ka, and here it's a single sound k. Now we add them together, we have kak, right? But notice in Malay, we do not stress the k sound at the end. So the final sound here is short and not prominent. Okay, so here we say ka, ka. Okay, it's not ka and it's not kak, but just ka, ka. Here we have ka, and here it's ka. So put them together, we have ka, 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 ka. Okay, so it's not ka, ka, it's not ka, kak, it's ka, 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 ka. Kaka is an older sister, a big sister. So which one is it? Yes, she is a kakak, a big sister. Now let's read more. Here we have mana buku. This is a question. Mana buku? Where is the book? Kata kakak. Kakak said, right? So, mana buku? Kata kakak. Where is the book? Said my older sister. Here we have itu buku. That is the book. Kata Anna. So she's Anna. She said, that is the book. Said Anna. Buka buku kamu. That means open your book. Kata kakak, said my older sister. Buka buku kamu. Open your book. Kata kakak. Ana buka buku. Ana open the book. Ana buka buku. Now, I'm going to say the short sentences in English, and you are going to say them in Malay. Okay, let's try this. Where is the book? Where is the book? Where? In Malay, mana. Book, buku. Where is the book? Mana buku? Mana buku? Where is the book? Next. That is the book. How do you say that in Malay? That. Itu book. Buku. That is the book. Itu buku. Itu buku. Open your book. Open. In Malay it's buka. Your book, it's buku kamu. Okay, it's not kamu buku, but buku kamu, your book. So put them together. Open your book. Buka buku kamu. Buka buku kamu. So Anna opened the book. So we say in Malay, Anna buka buku. Anna open the book. Anna buka buku. Okay, so that's all we have for now. So remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.